He's so beautiful.
Really? Thank you. Can I see myself? Can I see mirror? Okay, let me.
I'll use this one. Okay.
Oh my God. What are you still waiting for? Can't start doing makeup. I'm so beautiful. Please, where is my husband?
He has gone home.
Gone home?
Yeah.
I need to talk with him to know if all the items are complete. My mother has been calling me on phone.
Chidera, don't occupy your mind with these issues. Your husband is there. He's going to take care of all these things. It's your wedding day. Baby, this is your day. Be happy.
You don't understand. I don't want to suffer shame. I know how my people are. If the traditional marriage items are not complete.
Calm down. Everything will be alright.
Papa Zubike! Papa Zubike! I will leave you behind though.
Mama, leave Papa first. Leave Papa, beg.
Yeah, Azubike. Let me ask you a question. Because are you still going to provide all these things, the extra things they brought on their list? After providing all the initial ones,
Mama, there is no extra item on that list. Just that lost a page from that list.
Which means hunger will kill us in this house after your marriage.
Mama, leave that one. When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
Okay, bridge inko. In short, the only option we have now is for your father to tell his mother. Let your father explain everything to his brother. I'm sure he will understand. Because your father has exhausted his bank account.
Ma, it's okay. There's no time. Let me rush. Something be coming, please.
Papa Azubike! I will leave you and go. I will leave you and go.
Calm down. Have faith, I beg. Don't like this your face, I beg.
At least let me call him on the phone. Hello, darling.
Hello, baby.
My love, please, I want to know if you've gotten everything for the traditional marriage, all the items needed.
My father spoke with his brother and he accepted to lend us the money to complete the remaining items.
My love, but it's 30 minutes to church service. When are you going to run around and get all those items before going to church?
Don't worry, I'll send my younger brother to go and clear up that stuff.
My love, please do everything you can to get all those items. You know how my people are. I don't want any embarrassment or shame, please.
I know, just cheer up, okay? Everything will be fine.
Alright, baby. I'll see you in church.
Okay, if you're ready, come on, let's go. Okay, bye.
Bye. Yes. Love. His uncle promised to lend them some money to get all the items.
I told you that he's going to take care of everything.
My dear, your people really tried. The kind of gift they gave to you on your wedding day, it was much.
Sweetheart, your own parents tried me. They surprised me. Oh, your father with all his support and your mother with her words of encouragement. I'm so happy.
Anyway, I am so impressed with God for the kind of gifts you people showered on you. I'm so impressed.
You know, at some point, it seemed like everything was going to crumble. Then your uncle came at the last minute. I'm so happy. I feel like the happiest girl on earth.
Our lives, not only you. Do you understand? You remember the mathematics in the church? 1 + 1 =
1.
Yeah, so we can open this door.
Is your mother? It's your mother. Go and open the door.
What does she want?
This is the problem now. Wait.
Go and open the door.
I can't wait again.
Mama?
Yeah? Where are all those gifts we brought back? Where are they?
Mama, I packed them in my store.
Pack them in your store. Which your store? Eh?
Mama, what is the problem now?
Okay, just shut up. I want you to bring out everything first thing in the morning, including the fridge, the freezer, the television, and the gas cooker.
Mama, for what now?
Shut up! I hate to repeat myself. I said first thing in the morning. Yeah? Why are you two sweating like this? Eh? Mojo. Morala.
Tell him, why is she angry at me? Am I not supposed to keep my own wedding gifts?
I don't understand. I don't just know. But I must get to the root of this mama's attitude. What is this?
Well, it's okay. Let's not allow the spoiler.
No, okay. This I'm so angry now.
No, you don't have to be. Today is our day, our night, Cheer up, cheer up. Cheer up, cheer. Come.
I have given them till tomorrow morning to bring out all those items.
I'm glad you have actually realized what I meant. To have allowed it to be tomorrow. That is good of you.
Matters like this are better handled noku. If you delay or the dangerous. Yes. Whatever hand you give these people, that is what they will use against you. That's the way they will regard you.
Mama, you're on point. Mama is right.
While I was talking, she couldn't utter a word. Because she knew I was saying the truth. Never. It's not possible.
Mama, I love you. You're always on point. Mama, my view about this Azubike's wife is that she would be this type that would love to control everybody. Mama, I would suggest we start now to control her instead of she controlling us.
I'm happy you understand all that.
I be your son now. Am I not your son?
I will not let anyone come in here to teach me how to run my home. Very soon now, Paul and Gozie will marry their own wives. Those ones will come in here now and want to imitate evil. They're not possible. Aye, they're not possible. Nai, karapu kwa. Karapia. Odigodu.
Papa. Why are you too dull?
I said, shut up your mouth, you mumu like you.
Chai!
Well, do you have any bread?
Are you my father?
Peace.
Our children open their brains so that they will go to school, they will learn and they will achieve more than we the parents achieve.
Amen.
God. Father, I will cover ourselves with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of
I cover my
Jesus.
husband with the blood of Jesus.
Blood
he's
of
going
Jesus.
and coming back with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
Whatever he's going to lay his hand today with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of
we cover
Jesus.
ourselves, O King of Glory, my place of work, O God, everybody, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my brothers and sisters-in-law, and their families, oh God, will cover them with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of
Father, come and be
Jesus.
with us, oh
Father,
God.
King of
In
Glory,
everything,
thank you.
let your name alone be glorified.
Amen.
For in Jesus' powerful name I have prayed.
Amen.
Surely,
Goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Praise God.
Is that why Mama is knocking as if she wants to pull down the door?
Yes, now. Why are they still sleeping? Is it not morning?
See, Paul, let me tell you something. See, as we can, our brother, he will not accept to surrender those items. You know Azubike now.
What are you saying? He has to bring
Yeah, Azubike is looking for my trouble in this house. Oh. He is looking for my trouble.
Mama, what happened now? Where is it?
I have been knocking for over 5 minutes. They heard me and kept quiet. No, the way I'm sweating.
Mama, you know, Azubike and the wife, they will not open their door until they must have said their morning prayers.
Yeah, Chigozie, if you want to still remain my friend, don't support him.
But Mama, I'm not supporting anybody now. I'm just trying to tell you the reason they refuse to open the door for you.
Stop saying that, oh.
You know your son. He must say his morning prayer every morning before coming out.
No, send.
Okay.
Mama, good morning.
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 We are going at Chibawamdo.
Oh.
Who was knocking on my door?
Oh. So you heard it. You heard it and kept quiet.
Mama, I'm sorry, I was praying.
You were praying. So where is that your wife? Why has she not brought out all those items I told her to bring out? Last night I told her she should bring everything out first thing in the morning. First thing in the morning, but now.
Mama, let me ask you something. Was that why you were knocking on my door early this morning?
Yes, we look up to this one.
And this item you're talking about, they are my wife's wedding gifts given to her by her people. So what's your business there?
Azubike, I was at that wedding when they told us that in marriage 1 + 1 is 1, not 2. Therefore, her things are now your things and your things are her things. Okay, Nano? So tell her to bring those things out. I expected her to bring everything, all the gifts, and hand them over to me. But she went and hid all of them to show you the kind of wife you have married. Ifunya?
I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
You will soon understand. Chalam knows.
Azubike, please. It's too early for your wife to start having issues with Mama. Just let her release those gifts so that peace will reign in this house. Oh.
Bullshit.
Also bullshit.
You heard it now. Bullshit. Instead of you to support Mama, you're supporting bullshit. Yeah, you were supporting him. Bullshit. I heard that one clearly.
Sweetheart, can you imagine? Yeah?
What is it?
I don't know what has come over Mama. Yeah? I don't know what is wrong with her. What is she doing with our wedding gift? Eh? What is happening?
Our wedding gift. Is that why she didn't answer my greeting this morning?
Oh, she's ignoring your greetings.
Yes. Papa was there with her in the living room. I came and greeted both of them. She just ignored me. It was only Papa that answered me.
Mama is really provoking me this morning. For real.
Darling, please. Let her have the wedding gifts to avoid problem, Biko. Please.
For what? She cannot have it. Eh? Those are our wedding gifts. Eh? Why are you talking like this? Even if she needs or wants any of those gifts, the way she's going about it is wrong. Eh? I think I will go and talk to Papa because I hate this embarrassment.
My love, please. I think I know why she's doing that. That's why I say she should have it. She should have them.
Sweetheart,
please.
it's a lie. I will not take that. If this is an intimidation from Mama, I will not take it.
It's over 10 minutes you called these people. Up till now, they have not answered you.
That's it.
I'm sure it's that Chidera girl that is holding her son back from coming out.
Yeah, Gozie. Go and find out what is keeping them. Find out what is still keeping them there. Go and find out what is keeping them. I don't know this kind of thing.
Yes, Papa, let me go.
Papa. It's time you let this Chidera know that we are one peaceful family. We don't need division. In fact, we can't be in enmity with our own brother. We cannot.
Mbano, ya try anya. Ya try ya kan wanya ba. Let her try it.
I won't take it at all. What is... Who is that?
It's me, Gozie. Papa is calling you.
I've heard. Can you imagine?
My love, please. Please.
No!
For peace to reign, allow her have the gift.
I won't take that.
Please.
She cannot have our wedding gift. For what now? Tell me. Let me go and answer Papa first. Go on.
He said both of us, I'm coming with you.
Okay, come.
Please, I don't want this kind of problem.
I'm saying God, you go come.
You have said the right thing. Not like other.
Papa.
Good.
Papa, they are coming.
It's okay, let them come.
Let us keep waiting.
Who knows how long it is going to take them again to come?
You sent for us.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. I sent for you. Your mother told me that she was knocking at your door this morning and you and your wife refused to open the door for her. Why?
Papa, how come? We were praying then. There's no one could have abandoned the prayer to come and answer whoever that is. I don't know. I didn't even know. Do you understand? Because I knew I was going to do that later.
Besides, Papa, we didn't know she was the one.
Oh, just shut up! Shut up! You have taught my son how to tell lies.
Ma, you're insulting my wife, and I don't like it.
Because I can't be fair. Now, with your wife, my wife. How much did you contribute to that wedding? Tell me.
Ma, please stop that insult. Enough of that insult, please.
Fadin, Itiero. Would she have been here if not for your father's efforts? Wife. What is that? Anyway, last weekend, there is no point prolonging this talk. Tell Azubike and his wife to go in there and bring out all the gifts they collected at the wedding. Let them bring everything here.
Lie. I will not do it.
You say?
I will do no such thing. Those gifts belong to me and my wife.
You say you will not do it. I ask you again. How much did you contribute to this wedding, Nafion? Go and bring it, oh. Go and bring everything, oh. Go and bring it, oh.
Papa, please, if this is the reason you called us here, I am done with this meeting. Please.
Azubike, come and sit down here. I say come back here. Sit down there.
Are you begging him to come back? Let him go. Let him go. He's the first to marry. Go.
Daddy, please sit down. You can't walk out on your parents. Please, sit.
Nepia. Nollywood. You're now acting as if you don't like what is happening. Meanwhile, you were the one that ignited this fire now. Darling.
Mama, let Papa to do the talking now.
Are you high?
Let Papa talk on this issue.
Because are you high?
Yeah, you know Naija cow.
Papa, please, I cannot say anything for now because I am very, very angry. Very angry.
Come and beat me, no. You're angry at you. Come and beat me.
Odro possible. Mama, I will not do it. Odro possible.
You see the way he's challenging me in the presence of his wife. Tomorrow,
Please, we would like to calm down.
Go and bring all those gifts out.
Mama will not do it. We will not do it. This is bullshit.
Darling, please. Darling, come back. Don't walk out. Darling.
Hey, bullshit.
Bullshit.
Shut up.
please.
Okay, I'm saying what because. See,
Papa. Get out. Come on, step up, boys. Papa, come on, I didn't bank at that. Hey, Papa.
Just give us some time.
Is it too quiet? I don't like the way you handle cases. Mbamba, don't tell me that last weekend. I don't like the way you handle cases. Over intimidation.
Because you are a mother to him.
No, over I will get angry now. I'm going against the ball. I don't see anything. It is too quiet for my liking. Hey! Remember I told you that my husband was the one who sponsored that marriage?
Yes, you told me.
That immediately we came back from that wedding, Chidera packed every gift and hid inside her store. Hey! I've been telling her to bring everything out, but she refused.
Hey! Why should she do a thing like that?
Oh!
Hey! Hey! Laura, this is an indication that that girl is very heartless and stubborn. You have to be very careful with her.
I'm okay now, got to be careful. I am a careful person.
No, now.
You don't need to bother yourself. I know how to handle her. If with those gifts,
Bam.
She will bring every one of them out.
Bam! She must bring it out. But what of Azubike? Is he aware of all this?
Oh! Is he Azubike? Oh! Azubike, oh! Because Azubike is no longer Azubike, oh! She gave my son love potion.
Hey!
Azubike
this is serious.
Now woman rapper.
Hey!
He is no longer a man.
Hey! This is serious. Hey!
Onanya mwamka Glover. Ebo sinye George.
Chai. Biko. Laura wanne me bagwarala. Hey!
This is what I will come back to give you the full story. Oh? For now I'm rushing somewhere.
Okay.
Just that I was passing and your gate was open. Second bata. Say good morning.
Okay.
I know how to handle her. Oh?
Please. You have to be careful. You are important to me. Okay.
Oh? Oh, bye.
Okay. Hey! Look at Chidera of yesterday. That was behaving like a cat. Today she is a lion. Hey!
Still awake. Baby, what is it? Please talk to me. What is it?
Is it not your mother? I don't know what I've done to her. Why does she hate me with passion?
Baby, I've told you to forget about this issue. Whatever she's doing, don't let it to deprive you from joy.
My love, since I entered this family, she has been maltreating me. I don't know what I've done to her, where I've gone wrong.
You see the reason I say you should allow her have those wedding gifts?
So that I'll have peace of mind.
Baby, I cannot do that. I'm so sorry. It's not done anywhere.
It is easier for you to say because you're not the one at the receiving end. Your mother hates me. She doesn't like me. She has even poisoned her children's mind against me. What have I done to her? Where did I go wrong?
It's okay. Please, stop crying. Stop crying. Stop doing this to yourself. Please.
I know the reason she's doing all that. I know the reason she's doing all that she's doing because they're the ones that sponsored our traditional marriage. Darling, please, you will do everything possible to pay their money back. That's why she's doing all that she's doing.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Please. Please, stop crying.
I don't remember all this family. What have I done to her? What did I do to her?
Come on, get some sleep. It's okay.
It's too much for me.
Azubike.
Yes.
Honestly, I was not happy when Mama told me everything. Chidera should have brought out those things first. I know Mama will not take all of them.
Adamne, thank God you're married. Let me ask you something. Would you have given your mother-in-law your wedding gift?
This is different.
What is different there? What makes it different?
Okay. The difference is very clear. Papa was the one that sponsored your wedding. He should not have supported Chidera.
Adamne, thank God you are married. I'm so surprised that this is coming from you. Married woman like you.
Why won't you be disappointed? Because she told you the truth. Azubike weloni anwa yoko fellow alofuli ni. Take it easy. Forget. But everything I did for Azubike and his wife, if you can't say have you seen it?
Mama, it's not fair. It's not fair.
So but you see Chidera, she will suffer in this house. No problem. Come and eat.
Mama, what of Papa?
Oh, he went out. He will come back before evening. And come inside. Sit down. I called both of you here, so that I can talk to you. And what I want to talk about is Chidera. Everything is confidential. Nanya, I don't want any of you to have anything to do with that woman. Ununana?
Yes, ma'am.
She is evil. I don't want her to corrupt you. Have I understood?
Mama, are you saying we should not interact with her in any way?
She is evil. Like I said, she will corrupt you. Let her just be on her own.
Okay. Mama, I've heard you.
Ngwadune, go to your room.
Mama, they see me.
Where are you going?
Mama, we are going to see one of my friends. We will be back soon.
Yes, ma'am.
You would have waited a little bit so that my wife can eat. I'm sure she's very hungry. Now go out again.
Don't worry, she'll eat when she comes back. We are coming.
Mama, please, I want to take my kids to where they will make their hair.
You want to take your kids to where they will make their hair? Who will cook the night meal?
Mama, Gozie's wife is around. She can do it.
Which Gozie's wife? Ginika that is sick. And I'm sure you saw Chizoba following her husband out. Okay, take these children inside and prepare night meal.
Mama, our teacher said we should plait our hair before coming to school. Else, she will beat us.
One more. She will beat you. That is very good. See, when you get to your school, tell her to use cane. Flogging is better.
Mama?
It will make you very strong and very intelligent. Oh, they will beat you to up where? Oh yeah, take them inside. Make their hair another time.
Mama, it's not fair.
Take them inside, and come and carry this thing. I'm not even doing it again.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Do you want them to kill my kids for me? You heard what she said. The teachers will flog them if they come to school with their hair like this. Please, Mama.
Let them flog them now. Who has flogging killed? Were you not flogged when you were in school? Did he kill you? Okay, take these children inside. If you're just go inside. Okay, when you drop them, you come and carry this one.
Mama, it's not good.
Enough, Pala. They don't want to think. If you go, what you're teaching them. This one is even challenging me now. It's not fair. Nonsense.
Is this not the same Ginika that Mama told me that she's sick? Why should I always be the one to be carrying out domestic chores in this house? I will cook, fetch water, fetch firewood, sweep the compound and wash the bathroom and toilet. As if I'm the only one in this house.
Yeah, okay. I hope you saw the vegetable I left for you.
I saw it.
Go and cook. I want the food to be ready before my husband comes back. Oh? Chebe?
Mama, I thought you were sleeping.
Mama, good evening, ma.
Asamo.
Mama.
Don't allow your husband to win you.
Yes, story. Mama, I've already given him 3-0.
You mean here?
Mama, but don't mind. I just that I'm giving her the grace to win and she's taking it for granted.
Nene, give it.
So where the wrong? I am watching. One. Hey, one. 5. Number 6.
You're good now.
You won't understand. Please.
Don't do that.
No.
Stick to your own food now.
You won't understand. Do you know why I'm eating from your own?
Why?
This soup is sweet. Aye! So sweet. Yeah.
Okay.
This is that girl. She can cook very well. She can cook very well.
What do you mean?
Huh?
What are you trying to say? That she cooks more than me, your wife?
No, I didn't say that. I didn't mean it that way. I was just trying to say the soup is sweet.
This is what you do all the time. Every time she cooks in this house, you give her special praises.
Honey, I am sorry. That's not what I meant, okay? I was just... yes! Come on in! Mama. Mama, please come and join us. I'm eating. This food is sweet.
I'm about to eat my own. Do you need more fufu?
Fufu?
Meat?
Fufu? Honey, afa. Mama? No, we don't. Don't worry. This one is okay.
Let me know in case you need it.
No problem, Mama.
My wife. Well done.
Honey, are you still angry? Come on. I'm sorry.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry.
Leave me. I don't know what kind of man are you. How did I end up with you? What kind of a man prefers another person's wife's food than his own wife? I don't get.
Honey, I didn't mean it that way. I was just talking about... I didn't say Chidera. I was not praising Chidera. I was only praising this food. That's what I'm saying. Listen, see, that's the... This food is sweet.
Father, bless and sanctify this food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
What?
Oh, look at this.
Is this our soup?
Yeah. I don't like this, oh. I don't like this. I cooked this soup myself. With plenty meat and stockfish.
How can Mama give us this? Too small meat.
See, it's okay.
Darling, it's not okay. Look at this. Look at this. It's not okay. You have to talk to Mama. It's not okay. They go to 2 pieces of egg. If you join them together, or we'll do 1 piece of meat.
It's okay. This. Okay. Just. We still have provision, right?
Yes.
Take this to the kids so they'll complete their own tutu. Get me bread and tea. Let me eat. Okay?
Darling, please talk to Mama. Talk to her. Okay, because of this, you are going to drink tea and bread. It's not fair now. I made this food myself.
It's okay. Okay? With tea, I'll be fine. It's okay. Give me tea and bread.
What can I do? This is total case. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart. This is trouble. Every day she enter, Mama don't. The biggie trouble. Gini kamere mama cheme mi fa mama kenya emeregi gini kamere ne mo cheme mi fa kenya emeregi.
You still seated like this? I've told you to forget about this issue. This is becoming a big burden to you. Huh?
You didn't want me to talk about it because you thought I was talking about your mother. That was my annoyance.
Baby, see, there are some certain things you don't discuss in front of kids. That's why I don't want to talk about it.
You think they don't know? The kids knows everything that is going on in this house.
Okay, baby, see. I promise you very soon, all this will be over. Okay?
I want to enjoy my marriage. I just want to stay on my own and enjoy my marriage. What kind of embarrassment is this? Yeah.
So you will stay on your own and enjoy your marriage. Come on, can we sleep now? It's night already.
I live like a slave in that house. There is nothing I do that impresses my mother-in-law. Nothing at all.
I cannot believe that she have decided to treat you that way. Her attitude changed immediately after your wedding. What happened?
I didn't want to tell you this before, but I have to tell you now. Do you know that my mother-in-law barged into our room and asked me to give her all the gifts that I received on my wedding day? If you see the way she was counting it, the fridge, the freezer, the gas cooker, and the television.
Are you serious?
But my husband refused. It's not a small thing. She was making trouble. Drama everywhere. I pleaded with my husband to allow her have those gifts. Kudochia, so that we'll have peace of mind in that house. But you know my husband, he refused.
What about your father-in-law? What is he saying about it?
Which father-in-law? Nebe. That one. Does he have any say? Follow your leader anywhere the woman is. He supported her. Case closed. I'm tired.
Your husband is the first son. There's a certain things he should not allow in the house. Eh?
Uju, do you know that Chizoba and Geneka will be in the house watching TV, painting their nails or their face, doing one silly thing or the other? My mother-in-law will come and call me to go and cook.
But it's not fair. Those two are your junior ones. Eh? You call it nonsense here, Muka.
My dear, I've been praying and I will keep on praying. I have to be on my way now. I'm sure my kids will be back from school by now. Nobody will cook for them. They'll be waiting for me to come and cook. So, let me go and feed my children before I go and I don't want my
Take it easy. But I'm happy for you one thing now. That your husband is not those ones that stand against their wives.
Before I go and I don't want my
My dear, I'm happy that your husband is not among those men that stand against their wife in time of trouble.
Thank God.
Everything is fine. Soon.
I will. I'll see you soon. Eh?
No.
Grandma. I'm hungry.
Oh. Hey. Sorry, Own. But you have to wait for your mother to come back. There is no food in the house and I'm hungry too.
Grandma, why don't we eat with you?
Eat what with me?
Grandma, does it mean that Auntie Chizoba and Auntie Ginika cannot cook in this house? It's only my mom that cooks in the house.
Who told you that?
Nobody told me. I know it's only my mom that cooks in this house.
Will you shut up? I'm not surprised. I know that your wicked mother told you all these ones.
Grandma, mom is not wicked. Say you're the one who is wicked.
What did you say? Monty, come here. Come here.
Last time you just gave us 2 pieces of meat.
Wait! Let me sort this tissue out. What did you say? Come
Grandma, leave my sister alone. Grandma, you gave us 2 pieces of meat last night.
I gave you 2 pieces of meat. Only you, yesterday.
Yes, 2 pieces of meat. You gave us 2 pieces of meat.
How? Why? An abofala? Eh? Was I drunk when I gave you 2 pieces of meat? I gave you 2 pieces of meat each and you ate.
Grandma, why you lie?
Grandma, I'm hungry.
Chineke before. Come on, cinema boys. Almost sir. Onyano, ye chidera na azu. Maka nye ha 2 pieces of meat umaka aranya mtanya. Na na-egbu anu ebe aka ogin. She will always paint me red and black. Look at that small one. Telling me that she said I'm the wicked one. Ya Jehovah toya funeba.
This is total case. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart.
My angels.
What took you so long?
I'm so sorry. I know you two must be very hungry.
Yes, Mommy, you're hungry.
Mommy, Grandma is waiting for you to cook for us.
Mommy, between you and Grandma, who is wicked?
Why did you ask me that question?
Grandma said that you are wicked. But we overheard you the other day telling Daddy that Grandma is wicked.
Did you tell Grandma that I said so?
Yes, Mommy, I told her.
Please, next time, don't say such a thing to anybody, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
I'm talking to both of you.
Okay, Mommy.
No, but it's not me.
Just learn from today, okay? Are you done with your assignment?
Yes.
Alright, so I'll prepare tea for you to eat while I cook, okay? Yay! And can I get my hug? Hey, that's my angel. Alright, let me go and change, I promise. Chineke bụ akidi. Onwere dikagi. Ifegi asabu. Ma, good afternoon.
So you finally decided to come home. You decided to come back, alright?
Hey, Mama, sorry, I branched to see someone on my way back.
No. Welcome. You decided to go and see somebody. And you forgot that you will eat lunch in this house, alright?
But Mama, I'm not the only one in this house. Chizoba and Geneka are in their rooms, sleeping. You should have asked one of them to prepare lunch.
Are you mad? Eh? So you're now going to tell me who cooks and who does not cook? Are you mad? Eh?
Mama, you slapped me.
And I'll give you a punch, man. No film, no again. Are you mad?
Mama, what have I done to you? What have I done to you?
Eh?
Mama, what kind of thing is this?
Hey!
What kind of thing is this now?
You're not shouting at me.
Mama, what is happening here?
Thank God you came out on time, oh. You heard her shouting, raising her voice at me. Or did you hear? Yeah, the man now. Okay, now.
What is it? What have I done to Mama? What did I do to her in this house? What have I done to her? Am I her slave? Chidera, do you want to kill somebody?
Ifugi,
take it easy.
Ifugi, thank God you saw everything. So this girl would have stabbed me. Thank God you never. Hey! Tomorrow now she'll go and tell her children that I'm a wicked woman. Ifugi. So to can do listener. Okay now. Let my husband come back. You wanted to stab me. Hey!
What did I do to Mama? What have I done to her? Eh?
So you want to fight with Mama now?
Mama is Mama. If Mama is talking, you keep quiet.
Oh, that's how they do it, eh? Don't like what you just did now. Just finish up, oh?
She's my mother.
God, you're watching everybody. You're my witness. You're watching everything that is going on in this family. Eh? Let me talk to you. Eh?
Chidera is the only headache I have in this family. Since Ginika and Chizoba came into this family, they have never insulted me. Man, if Chidera,
Chidera, tell me the truth. Did you insult my wife?
Papa, you know me. I did not insult her. I did not do anything to her. She was the one that slapped me for nothing. Ask Chizoba here. She's my witness.
Me slap you? How? When?
I did not slap you.
Thank you, Mama. I slapped you. When? Where? How?
The question is, did you slap her or not?
This boy Bwewu. Your mother brought a report that your wife has been insulting her. All you could do is to start cross-examining me. You can't even act.
Mama. I don't like this illness treatment you're giving to my wife. I don't like it, Mama.
You're a fool, oh. Che. Omu kina tulinu barabara. Omu. It's not serious.
Mama, please, let's settle this case amicably.
With this Chidera, there is no amicable settlement. She does not like peace. Well, even the Bible is in support of what I'm going to say now. Because it says that the kingdom of God suffereth violence. And only the violent taketh it by force. If Chidera, she does not like peace. That is why she has bewitched my son and put him under her control. Okay?
Mama, nobody bewitched me. I love my wife and I will not allow anybody to treat her like a slave.
Yes. Azubike, what do you mean by that? That your wife does some chores in the house. Does that prove that your wife is being treated like a slave?
Papa, do you know my problem with you? Whenever you see the truth, you just like to be far from the truth.
Oh! Azubike Boom, have you heard him? Azubike, look, except you withdraw that statement now. You must withdraw it, or this matter will go further beyond what you think the matter is. Do you hear me? How dare you? How dare you make such reference to me? Because of your wife? Chidera just came in here.
Papa, I'm sorry, please. Forgive my husband, please.
Shut up, oh.
See, you've started calling her names again.
Nah, you're not long way.
Mama. Azubike, that you're my eldest brother doesn't give you the right, the nerve to talk to Mama anyhow.
Yes.
Mama has just explained to you how your stupid wife here has been insulting her. If you're reasonable, what you would have done is to take your wife inside and talk sense into her, not to sit here and be insulting Mama the more. I will break your head. Are you mad? Mama, I'll break what I'll break your head.
Calm down.
What is this? What's going on? Bullshit. Let's go.
Mama, I'll break his head.
Papa, why is it that brother Azubike is finding it difficult to control his wife?
Don't just talk, oh. But Chiono get there. Now you can open your mouth because they have gone. Okay? It's so equal.
I'm your elder sister, so I'll be the one to play the role of grandma.
No, I'll play the role of grandma while you play the role of mommy.
Please now. Okay, I'll give you my chocolate. Please, will you accept?
When are you going to give me the chocolate?
Tomorrow after school.
I've accepted, so what are we going to do?
I'll be shouting at you while you'll be shouting at me. Let's do it. Chidera, do you know that you're wicked?
I'm not wicked. See that it's wicked. You gave us soup with only 2 pieces of meat inside it.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
You are wicked.
It's not me that is wicked.
Yeah, I'm not wicked. You are wicked. If you are not wicked, go and cook for us.
Can
Hey. So, who taught you this? I'm asking you, who taught both of you this drama you're displaying here?
Answer your father.
If I close my eyes and open it, straight to your rooms. Baby, you see why it's not good to use some destructive words before these kids? They are too sharp, they are too brainy, their brain captures some silly things so fast. Sweetheart, come on, cheer up, okay? It's okay.
When will it be okay? When? When is everything going to be okay? When is everything going to be okay?
See.
Honestly, sweetheart, I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this. This is too much. It is too much.
Very soon, get some tangible things to do and we pack out from this place and, you know, and enjoy our life. Come on, cheer up. Cheer up. Hey, landlord, you are here?
I am here to collect my money.
Okay. Please don't be angry. No, just give me small time. Your money is not yet ready. Just give me time to make up your money and give you, please.
Azubike! Of course you know I'm not here to listen to this your trash. You know I'm not here to listen to this your trash. Go in and get my money, Azubike!
Landlord, even if I go in there, there is no money in there. What I have there is clothes for people to come and pick and pay. So I will give you your money. Pico.
Azubike, I'm not here for joke, oh. Go and get my money, please.
I didn't say you're joking. What I am saying is that give me small time. I don't have it now. I beg you.
Azubike.
Just give me small time to make up the money and pay. You see now there's still clothes here. They will soon come and pick and make some money and give you.
Azubike, don't push me to the wall, oh. I will not tolerate this nonsense next time I come here. Azubike, what I need is my money.
You're too big for somebody to be pushed to the wall. You're too...
So if I allow you, push me to the wall?
No, it's not possible now. Just what I'm begging is small time. Just I will push you to the wall. You're too big for somebody to be pushed to the wall. Please, I'm sorry. Just give me some small time. Okay, run. Oh, this my job is not lucrative again. Eh? I'm not making any profit from this anymore. Eh? What is this? What is going on? Eh?
I wonder what is holding you from giving Chidera her position in your house. Eh? She should stay on her own. Her husband should fend for the family so that you and your husband will have to rest now. You people have tried.
No, we have really tried. It's just that my son claims his dry cleaning business is not doing well.
He's not doing well. Is that the reason he should not feed his family? Eh? The wife is a working class woman. She's a secondary school teacher for crying out loud. So she has to help the husband.
Nke abugoro akamu case. Nke na akuwagodu misi is the fact that Chidera told her children that I am a wicked grandma. You know go there kokambo.
Hey! Have you seen it? Have you seen what I have been telling you all this while? You have kept quiet enough over that girl's attitude towards you. Nkekapanjo will not give you BP one day. That's my fear.
Hey, Ngo, Umi Ezuria. It is that her useless mother that she will give BP, not Laura. Yeah.
I trust you and I believe you. But I will only advise you to be very careful with her. Despite the fact that she is pretending to be upright, she can be dangerous.
Pico, I am more dangerous. Moreover, I have Chidera here.
I trust you. But I will only tell you to apply wisdom. Be cautious and be vigilant.
Okay. I will be. Or a vigilante group can join the group.
Group.
I will be leaving now. I'm expecting my brother's daughter.
Okay.
But the next time I come here, Cholo Moji.
Oh, come on, baby. How are you now?
Please stop that. You got... Baby, I love you. Okay, fine, I am sorry. I am very, very sorry. It won't repeat again, okay? I will make it up to you this time. Believe me. Eh? Okay, fine. If I see you, you will forgive me, right? Eh? If you say, okay, don't worry, I will make it up to you. Tomorrow morning, I will stop by to see you, okay? Eh? On my way to the market, I will see you. Please. I love you. Tell me I love you back now. Eh? Okay. Honey? Are you ready to sleep?
Who was that?
Who was who?
Paul, don't lie to me, okay? If you used to deceive me, this won't work. Who was the woman you were speaking with over the phone just now?
Honey, the same question I'm asking you. Who was who? Okay. Oh, you mean phone? Honey, that's what you should have said since now. You're just asking. Listen, you don't mind this my naughty colleagues at the market. You know, he just called me. He was just talking with me. I just told him, don't worry. You want to see me? Eh? I will see you tomorrow morning.
Don't even go there. I heard you. I heard every single thing you said to that woman or that girl, whoever. Yes, you were discussing with your girlfriend just now.
Honey?
So, let me bring the phone.
Honey, you're joking. What do you mean?
Just give me your phone. Let's see the person that just called.
Are you out of your mind? Why should I give you my phone? I should give you my phone. For what?
Eh? Paul, is this how you are? Just now I caught you talking with your girlfriend over the phone and you want to play smart. It will not work. Give me your phone. I want to see who called you. You think you can go around cheating on me? You take me for a fool. No. God will punish you. God will punish you and nothing good will ever come to your life. And God, there's nothing you lay your hands upon that will go well for you.
What? Chizoba, are you cursing me?
Yes, I'm cursing you.
Chizoba, you're cursing me.
You heard me right, I'm cursing you.
Are you mad? You're cursing me.
I don't even know what kind of man are you. I never knew I was getting married to a shameless he-goat like you.
Yeah. What is that?
Mama, what is it, Toto? This guy has the guts to call me he-goat. Want me?
He's cheating on me. Yes, I just caught him speaking with a girl now. Deny it. Bring your phone, let's check it. You're cheating on me.
Mama, what now?
Are you both not ashamed of yourselves? Eh? Don't you know that Chidera and Azubike will be very happy to hear your voices? Huh?
Mama, I'm still telling you to want this idiot. What now?
Be deceiving yourself.
Hey, shut up. Let me not hear any noise from this room again. Okay, follow me. Follow me.
Hey, this girl is a stupid girl. I want this guy. I told her not to call me at night. How can she call me by this time? Hey, Mama, thank you. Thank you for coming in. Hey, this girl wants to put me in trouble. Hey, Paul, you're smart. Look at the way you act.
Chidera.
I think good morning.
Good morning, dear. You are very 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What of your husband and children?
They are fine. What of uncle? Did he come back?
No, he did not come back. I'm happy I met you now. On your way back to school, I would like you to come to my house. There's something I would like to discuss with you.
I hope there is no problem.
No problem at all.
All right. So on my way back, I'll see you.
It's okay.
Have a nice day.
A little thing, for goodness sake. Where was my mind? I'm not supposed to miss a thing like this. Hi. Oh, just a little thing.
Yeah, Papa Zubik. We forget now. Chidera has started again. Oh.
What has she done again? Tell me.
Go to the kitchen and see how she messed up everywhere. She was the one that cooked last night and she just left the place unkempt.
She left the kitchen untidy? No, this is unfair now.
Oh-ho!
Unfair.
Thank you! Thank you!
Oh, children of these days. It's okay. Just tell Chiamaka to go and clean that place up. But let me ask, must you be complaining of everything? You shouldn't be complaining about everything now. And you know she's a worker. She has gone to work. So why complaining?
She has gone to work?
Yes.
Because come here, River Naija no can danye because she's working. Wait oh. Why would you tell me to call Chiamaka to tidy up the kitchen when I know it was Chidera that messed it up? I hope you're not trying to support her.
What have I said that is wrong? What wrong have I said? Just call a spade.
You have not...
I said call a spade a spade.
What spade am I calling a spade? Nazubike, why would you support her? Why would you tell me to ask Chiamaka to go and tidy up her mess?
But please, Laura, I don't need your trouble. I don't want it at all. As you can see, I am busy. Please, let me be.
Busy doing what? In a Dokasalum calendar. Busy doing what? Na Dokasalum calendar. Nazubike, you are the one asking for my trouble, and trust me, I'll give it to you. If for that kitchen, it will remain like that until she comes back. Nonsense, Naya.
No, wait for her to come back. Wait for her to come back so you kill her. Kill her! So you have your way. Make sure you don't come back here. What kind of a woman is this? She takes joy in making trouble all around. Hi! I have been complaining that I never had any single winning last week. And she's here, disturbing me and making me forget my focus. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, look at it now. I've forgotten everything that came here now has gone. Now I will start afresh.
day, ma. You are back already? Yes, ma'am. I thought I should see you before going home. Okay, no problem. Have seat, eh? Let me finish with what I'm doing at the backyard. Okay. Okay.
What can I do? This is total Casio. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart.
Mommy, Wendy, are you back from work?
Yes, I came to see Auntie Ngozi.
Okay, I came to see her too.
Okay, she's at the backyard.
Okay.
This is trouble. Mama trouble. Every day she enter. Mama don't. Big trouble. Abogini can marry mama can make me mama, can you marry? Gini can marry mama can make me mama, can you marry? Mama became
Mommy, Wendy, I have to be going.
Okay, I'll be right behind you.
Okay, see you at home, eh?
I invited you because of the concern I have for you and your husband. I'm aware of the difficulties you've been facing in your family. Could you please tell me the cause of the problem between you and your mother-in-law?
Auntie Ngozi, I don't know what I did to my mother-in-law. I don't know why she hates me so much. It all started immediately after my wedding. She demanded that I give her all the gifts I collected on the wedding day.
Eh?
My husband refused.
She demanded for your wedding gifts?
Yes.
Hey! But she has no right. She has no right over your wedding gifts.
Bless you. Exactly what my husband said.
You have to be careful with your mother-in-law. She is a very heartless and wicked woman. And all she wanted is for you to go back to your parents.
God forbid. What have I done to her? What did she say that I did to her?
You have to be very, very prayerful because I can see fire on the mountain.
Auntie, thank you very much for your concern. I'm grateful. I have to be on my way now.
It's okay, no problem.
Greet your husband for me. I will. Thank
you. When you think you're smart, some people are smarter than you. And I do man, up with devil's workshop. Ochu wakuko wanda, wakuko wansa. Achukata wabanyo, achubanya no wama. One know what you got to, it's majority. Ewo, chimo inamuko. Life na jejeje, achunu wanike.
Mama, I'm back.
No.
Mama, deliver your message. Hey, Mama. Where are Wendy and Favor?
They are at the backyard with Chiamaka.
Okay.
I don't know what is keeping their mother today.
I met her at Ngozi's place now.
You met her where?
I met her at Ngozi's place, of course.
What is she doing there?
Mama, I don't know. Maybe she has gone to gossip as usual.
I know how to find out.
Mama? Mama, excuse me. Good day, Mama.
Where are you coming from?
Mama, I'm coming back from school.
Ngozi's university up where? Huh? What did you go there to do?
Nothing, Mama. I just went there to see her.
Is she sick? Okay. You know I have my ways of finding out. There's no problem.
Good afternoon, my dear. Where are my children? They're outside. Okay. Are you busy?
No.
Okay. Please take this money. Help me buy a loaf of bread. Oh? Go immediately. I want to make use of it. Okay. Before you go, bring my children inside for me. Okay. Thank you.
She's my mother for facing, not for hunting.
Auntie Chiamaka, why do you collect the intro from us? Can't you take permission?
Hey. Auntie Chiamaka, collect it.
That also is good.
Auntie Chiamaka, do not collect this thing. Just see that we are playing.
Madia. Oh yeah. Get inside.
I'm not good. Oh, sister. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Is it by force? Leave me alone, no. Come. Hey, Mama, see, she's looking for my trouble.
Hey, shut up. Do you have any trouble? Chiamaka again.
Their mother asked me to bring them.
They can walk now. Go and answer your mother. Yeah, come. You see him? Oh! You want to fight him?
No, I was not fighting you.
My friend, jump inside. So you hear Chidera and they will tell him ever.
Chiamaka, help me wash this clothes. Chiamaka, help me wash these clothes. Mama, Auntie Chidera asked me to buy bread for her.
No problem. Go and wash these clothes first. When you finish, you go and buy the bread. Oh?
She said she wants to make use of it now.
Yeah, Chiamaka. Don't get me angry. Let this be the last time you will run an errand for her.
Yes, ma'am.
Chilakwa Jeswa. Lizika sana ibu. N'ezi ka akpọtala m ha odibo.
Chiamaka, where is the bread I asked you to? Chiamaka, where did you keep the bread I asked you to buy for me? Where did you keep the bread I asked you to buy for me? Or say me yes, auntie?
I have not bought it.
You've not what?
Chiamaka, but you didn't tell me she asked you to buy anything.
Did you hear her? Did you hear her? Have you suddenly gone deaf and dumb? What do you have to say?
What is it? What is the problem again?
Mama, it's Chiamaka.
Mama, again?
I asked her to help me buy bread. And she left it to do something else.
So, she should leave this one to buy bread for you. Eh? You on a modroma?
Mama, wait though. I asked her to help me. I just came back from school. I asked her to help me buy. Let me eat bread before I start cooking. So, this one is better than... Mama, why are you talking like that? I expect you to scold Chiamaka here.
You want me to scold her? You
give me my money.
Give me my money.
Why didn't you go and buy the bread she asked you to buy?
Makagin, go on a modern. Eh? Sit down and wash. When you finish, you want just a Josie.
Mama asked me to wash the clothes first.
Mama did?
Yes.
Okay. Wash. Oh, wow.
So, darling, that was what happened. I forcefully collected my money from her, went and bought the bread myself. But what baffled me was Mama's comment when she came out. Hey!
And see, I don't care about what Mama said. I'm used to that. She can say anything she'd like. But my concern was Chiamaka's refusal to run an errand for you. What's rubbish? What's happening? Chiamaka! Chiamaka!
Darling, please don't.
No. Am I not old enough to send for Chiamaka? I want to know.
You might be surprised. Maybe Mama told her not to answer you like the way she did in the afternoon. She told her to wash Gineka's clothes first before going to buy bread for me.
This will not happen in this house. It will not happen before me. Excuse me.
Darling, wait.
What?
Wait! I'm the one begging you. Cool down. Listen, what we should be praying and begging God is for Him to bless us so that we will leave this house for them for good and get our own house. Eh? Bikonna, stop this. Please, calm down. Please. Okay? It's okay.
It's okay. I'm fine. Just sit down. I start now. They say I've started. When I start again,
Hey!
I don't just like it.
Don't make noise. Why are you just talking to yourself? What is it?
I told my daughter to call Chiamaka for me and she said that you told her not to answer me. Why?
What if I did? Dikeh, eh?
You really told her not to answer me?
Azubike, yes. Because she was doing something for me at that time.
Wait, let me ask you. You purposely ask that girl to ignore me?
Azubike, let me correct an impression here. Chiamaka is not a housemaid. I don't know why you should be angry. Have you paid her school fees for once since on Onona? Eh?
Mama,
Azubike. Nabadala. I cannot rest again.
What can I do? This is total case. Give me one year.
No. When the final he went out, hey! I don't know why you managed it. Welcome.
Thank you, my sister. How is your husband?
He's fine. He went out.
Oh. What of Wendy and Favor?
They've all gone to school. I heard their mother came to your house.
That one. It is true. She can gossip. She really knows how to gossip. Oh no, ton. She was telling me lots of things against you.
Jesus.
How you have been maltreating her. Treating her like a slave in her husband's house.
Me.
And so forth.
Me? Hey. Wait, you mean the girl took me to your house? Yeah?
No, brother Sanka. You see that girl? She said many things against you. She is an image destroyer.
Go. Can you please tell me everything she said about us?
Laura, no. If I open my mouth to say all the things she said against you, I don't think you and your husband will allow her to stay under the same roof.
Are you trying to hide it from me?
No.
No.
I don't want it to look as if I want to bring problem in your house. You are my friend.
You have already started saying it. Topono.
Is it really necessary?
It is.
It's not. I only mentioned it so that you have to be careful with her. You see, Geneta and Chizoba, they are the only two daughters-in-law you have. As for Chidera, you have to be careful with her.
My husband will hear this.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Please, don't mention my name. Don't mention me. I just came to tell you so that you'll be careful. And you are saying your husband must hear this.
What Chidera does is is to carry my name along with her to wherever she's going. Asile, gossip!
Mama, are you saying that Chidera left this house to Auntie Ngozi's house just to tell her all this rubbish? I mean, these stupid things you've just told us.
Ngozi couldn't have lied to me now. Moreover, I know Chidera. Amamie.
She'll do it.
Oh.
That girl is a big fool. I don't blame her. Yes, I blame my brother. Because my brother should have sat her down and talk sense into her. Make her realize that you're her mother-in-law.
Chidera that's purely from one native doctor's house to the other.
Honey?
You've not heard? Chidera charmed Azubike. Yes, that is the talk of the town. That Chidera charmed Azubike. Why do you think he's behaving the way he's behaving?
You ask me, you have to do something. You have to start acting now.
Honey, did you say native doctor?
Chidera charmed Azubike. That is why he's acting the way he's acting.
Mama?
And we need to do something about it immediately.
I'm a native doctor.
Mom, you're right though. You're right. I think Azubike should be made to know that he's under a spell.
Mama, native doctor is involved. What difference will it make? Yes, because native doctor is involved. How will you do it? In fact, the only way it can make a difference is we taking my brother to a prayer house so that they will pray. In fact, conduct a serious deliverance. If not, my brother is no longer my brother.
Yes, Mama, I agree with my husband. And I know of a prayer house. All we need to do is just go straight to the pastor and he will give us solution. If not, as if he can waga another pound.
Honey?
What is it?
Prayer house.
Prayer house, didn't you hear what I said?
Well, I have to wait for your father to come back. Manifu Chidera.
What can I do? This is...
Please, I'm begging you, take this 5,000. By next week, I'll complete the 4,000 that is remaining. Please, I beg you.
Azubike. Eh? What kind of insult is this? You have to complete my money, oh. You told me to come here today. Now you are telling me a different story.
Yes, landlord, I know I told you to come today to come and pick the money. But I've not done anything today. Customers are here to come and pick their clothes. Please, take this one. I will pay you.
Azubike, you are playing with fire. You are playing with fire. Complete my money.
Landlord, how can I play with the fire? You're not fire now. You're a human being. Please, I beg you. I don't have money here.
Azubike, you must give me my money. You must give me my money.
Don't tell this.
Let it here, I don't care.
Don't tell this trouser.
Let it here, I don't care.
Leave my trouser alone.
Give me my money.
See, even though I am a dry cleaner, this trouser is designer's.
Okay, it's designer. You will pay me my money. Complete my money, Azubike. You complete my money.
I am not a criminal.
Complete my money.
Leave me now.
Complete my money.
You don't want to leave me?
Yes.
You don't want to leave me?
It will have been better if you are a criminal. Your mother is a criminal. Azubike, pay me my money. Fine boy, no people. Pay me my money.
Mama, what is good about it? I'm asking you. What is good about this day?
Mama, it's just a simple greeting.
Ayongi, did I beg you to greet me? Eh?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey. What did you go to Ngozi's house to say about me yesterday?
Me?
Me.
I didn't tell her anything.
Oji asi emoji. Chidera ina asi go. You didn't know I would find out. Oh, you didn't know that I would find out.
I still don't understand what you're talking about.
How will you understand? You don't ever understand anything. Eh? So you went to Ngozi's house and tarnished my image.
Here, my hands are clean. No,
will you shut up there? Are you denying it? Instead of you to render apology to my mother, you're here denying it, making my mother a liar. Are you high?
Apology for what exactly? What did I do?
Chidera, I hope you're not challenging me.
With all due respect, Brother Paul, this matter does not concern you.
Hey, Chidera, don't even try it. Don't dare it. Not in my presence. Don't ever talk to my husband like that. Or when they make it.
Excuse you?
Excuse you, Nkegi Akunginezi.
Honey. Mba. Chidera, insult me. Talk to me. I don't blame you. I only blame my brother who gave you the backbone to talk to anyone the way you want in this family. No, talk.
I did not insult you, Brother Paul. I don't know what you are looking for.
Listen. If you say one more word, I will beat you, I will slap you. My brother will come back, he will not do anything.
You will beat who?
I will beat you.
You will beat me, Chidera.
I will beat you.
Beat me now. Come and beat me. Beat me. Let me know if you will not sleep in the police station tonight. What is it?
Mama, what now?
Is it because I've been keeping quiet?
Mama.
Police station.
Ago, Chidera, Ago. Why don't you dare me? Don't tell me to beat you. It won't get back. Anumpam. Just leave her. Let Azubike come back. Okwagi? Ngiwa? You want to walk out on me? Ekusigom? Asigom gipo? Eh? I am not done with you yet. You will stand there until I'm done with you. Nonsense.
Mama, if I'm here, I will kill this woman.
Police station. Chidera. Ini Edo. Eh? Ini Edo. You want to take my husband to the police station? It's me and you one day.
Orodia. What can I say to you? Set yellow unine the Munyedi or Munyedi. It's Buhageba. You wanted to walk out on me, Cobonobo.
What have I done? Why is my mother-in-law bent on depriving me happiness in this house? I don't know what brought about my visit to Ngose's house yesterday. My angels.
Good day, Mom. Good day, Mom.
Good day. How was school today?
For that, Mom, Auntie did not give me homework. Mom, Auntie gave me an assignment today.
Alright, my angels. You go to your room and you remove your school uniform. I'm coming to do the assignment with you, okay?
Yes.
Let's start going.
Mom, what happened to you?
I'm fine.
You're not happy. Mom, is that true?
My angels. Mommy is alright. Mommy is happy, okay? I'll go to your room. I'll see you later, okay?
Yes, Mom.
Well done.
Hey, you're back from work.
Yes, I'm back.
How is work today?
Very fine, very fine.
I've been longing to see you.
I hope all is well.
Azubike, all is not well. How could you allow your mother to subject your wife to slavery? Don't you know it is your duty to protect her?
Auntie, because I just want peace to reign in my family.
Azubike, peace cannot reign if you cannot stand on your feet to protect your family, to defend them. I heard how your wife always cook in the house, doing everything, even when Chizoba and Geneka, the younger wives, are around. Is it the right thing to do?
That's how I want it to be for now, but just for a while.
It is not true. You have to defend your family. Don't you know that this might affect your children's future if you go on keeping quiet? I am telling you all this because I care for you, your wife, and your children. If not, why should I bother myself?
No problem, Auntie, because I've heard. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Bye, eh? Greet your lovely wife for me.
I will.
Bye. It's okay.
Mama, delay is dangerous. You don't have to wait for Papa before you will talk to my brother. Call him, let's both of us talk to him with the language you will understand.
We will not have this conversation until your father comes back.
Why, Mama? Mama, wait. Are you afraid of something?
Afraid of Onye? Azubike or Chidera?
Mama, enough of this rubbish in this house. What did you tell my wife?
And what did your wife say I told her?
Shut up and start.
Will you shut up, you two?
You know what you told her?
Have you seen your life? Yeah, Azubike, you just came back from work. Your wife told you whatever she deemed fit. Now you're shouting at your brother without even hearing his own side of the story.
I don't want to listen to anything. Because I'm ignorant of you gang up against my wife and I in this house.
Because shut up! Okay, shut up! It's high time you start listening to your wife. Guy.
Come on!
What is your problem?
What is that? Yeah? For what? Who is he? Who is that stupid boy? Eh?
It's okay, my darling.
A boy that I used to help when I was in school.
You don't have to blame him. It's Mama that is causing all the troubles in this house. Eh? She's not behaving like a mother.
I'm so disappointed in Mama. How can she do that? Eh? She's now seeing me as a bad son. Meanwhile, I was the person that gave her a helping hand, even when the younger ones are punishing her. Eh? She's just hating everybody because she never wanted me to marry the woman she despised a lot. What's that? It's not okay. I'm so angry. I'm so angry.
No, but I'm begging
I am hot.
It's okay. Please, my love, it's okay. I'm begging you. Please.
Where are my children?
They are doing their homework.
Bring me water to drink.
Darling, it's okay. Please.
It's okay. I'm good. Just get me water to drink. My dear, my landlord came to the shop again today and gave me the highest embarrassment of my life.
Darling,
that is what I got today.
Darling, how come? Didn't you give him the 5,000 I wanted to give him?
I gave him now. I gave him the 5,000. He insisted that I must complete his money. I begged and begged and begged this man, please, by weekend or next week, let me complete the money for you. He refused.
Are you serious?
The worst part of it was that this man rushed me. Rushed my trouser, even cut my bottom. I'm telling you.
I hope he didn't wound you.
He wanted to cut me naked on the road. I was begging this man, please collect this 5,000 now. I'll balance you up. Say, child. Even asked me to leave his shop. That I should just vacate that shop. I don't know what to do.
So, what are you going to do now?
My dear, is a terrible thing now, but as for me, I'm ready to quit that job.
My love, how can you quit the job? Where will you get money to get a new one, a new shop? Or what would you even be doing if you quit?
Don't bother yourself, I have a plan. Yeah. Okay.
You're okay?
I'll tear this my fine trouser. You should have bought this trouser self. Yeah, this one was it.
I don't want your joker, a prince to follow. Fetch come me baby for a prince to what can I do?
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. How was the night?
Bye, Papa. Sorry for disturbing your sleep.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Go ahead, tell me what you want to tell me.
Papa, it's about our piece of land at Obata. You said you're going to share it last December, but till now, I don't know what happened.
I decided to postpone the sharing because you know very well your brother Gozie was not around. Eh?
Mm.
So,
there is no need postponing it. All of us were around now. Eh? I want it to be done this week.
This week?
Yes.
Why? Natuziami?
Papa, I want to farm on my own portion this farming season.
Then what stops you from farming on that land? Just take as much portion as you can farm on. Then farm on it.
Papa, you don't understand. I want you to do it by yourself to avoid problem. If you do it now, you won't do it again.
It's okay. You have to go to work, eh? By evening, I'll give you a feedback.
Okay.
When you come back.
What was he saying?
He was asking me to go and share the land at Obota. That he wants to farm on his own share of the land.
That's not true. I say. There's no point, Nazubike, waiting till evening. Just call him back and tell him that you are not sharing that piece of land until December.
Wait.
Should I call him for you?
You mean I should call him back?
Rapoba, let me go and call him.
Gracias.
Nneka! Did you just use the bathroom? I asked you a question. Did you just use the bathroom?
Yes, I did.
So you used my water? My bucket of water, and it didn't occur to you that you replace it for me?
I saw a bucket of water in the bedroom and I did not know you were the owner of the water. So I used it. Is there any problem?
Why will you use it? Are you the one that kept it there? Why didn't you replace it afterwards?
How was I to know that you're the owner of that water? Tell me. Hey, tell me. So is that why you called me?
Eh? What is it?
Mama, it's Nneka. She used my water, the water I kept in the bathroom, to get my soap dish. And she didn't replace it. Am I a housemaid that I'll be the one to keep water for her to bathe?
Is that all?
Mama, that is all. I saw a bucket of water in the bathroom and I didn't know she was the owner of the water, so I used it. That is why she's doing all these things, just talking to me anyhow because of water.
And Mama, why would you keep water in the bathroom when you knew you were not ready to have your bath? Eh?
Wait, Mama. Is that all you have to say?
What do you expect me to say? Bikono, let us not continue with this argument. We have a tank filled with water. Eh? And you, go and wear something. Go and cover up.
Mama, that also.
Go and fetch water. Hey, it's what one bucket. The water is enough now. It's a corner wufu.
Baby, what is the problem?
I went to bathing room to bathe. Then I saw a bucket of water she left. She left that water since I was doing something else. So I had to use the water and bathe. That's why she's so angry, nagging and all these things. I don't understand how.
Wait. You mean you used the water she left in the bathroom?
Yes, now. I saw a water and she wasn't ready to use it, so...
Oh, baby. You are wrong this time. Since you know the water she left there is her water, why didn't you fetch your own fresh water and use? Come on.
I don't understand. You are not blaming me.
Yes. Baby, Chidera is my elder brother's wife. And I've told you this time with that number to try as much as possible to stop having issues with her. Please.
No, blame me. Go ahead and put the blames on me. Blame me. Me, I'm always wrong. Chidera is the right person. Don't also blame me. Everything, it is Chidera. No wahala. Blame me.
always know she's a good person. No problem.
You know what? I don't have time for this. Where's my shoes?
It should be somewhere in the parlor.
Office rules. Work.
Look at the way you are shining. There is nothing like living in your husband's personal house. You'll be doing anything you want to do, anywhere, anyhow.
And I'm so happy. I don't want to go through this ugly experience of living in a family house. I cook and eat whatever I like, without being monitored by a third party.
My dear, in my next life, God in heaven will not allow me to marry a man that still lives in his family house.
Well, it depends on the parents of the guy. The ladies of my friend, she and her husband live in her husband's parents' house. But the guy's parents are very good people. You needed to see the way they pamper her.
But still, there's this joy in living in your own husband's personal house. Now I envy you. You do what you like, anyhow you want, however you want it. Look at the way you are shining. Mama.
Good day, Mama.
Yes. Keep your greeting to yourself. So, this is what you come here to do. To give her wrong advice and cause confusion in my house.
Mama, what have I done?
The question should have been, what have you not done?
Mama, what is it?
Did you just ask me what it is? Just shut up. I don't have your time yet. So this is what you do. You will leave your husband's house to come here to create confusion. Okay?
Mama, what is all this? You can't just intrude into my privacy just like that.
Hey! I didn't want to shout, oh. But did you say privacy? Privacy in my husband's house. Or that not possible? Because I don't have your time yet. Let me finish with that. Would you get up and go? What are you still sitting there doing? Mwakunita, I want to carry my
Mama, stop this now. You can't just chase my guest away just like that. She's my guest.
Mwagola. Ujukunie?
Mama, leave me now, please.
This is my house. Get up, Mama, leave me now. What is that?
Mama, you are looking for my job, bro. Mama, you are looking for my job.
Oh yeah, now. Go before I stain your white. Go before I stain your white with this thing. Anumpam. You see the kind of friends you bring here? I was there, Nigga. I envy you. I envy you. But look at you. Look at you. Here and there, the kind of friends you bring to my house.
Mama, what is all this now? What have I done to you? Look at you, the way you just embarrassed me in front of my friend.
This is my lunch.
Mom, give me the drink. At least I bought it with my money.
Do you have money? Is it not my son's money? You tell him chinchina. Here are my lunch. Near if your man about it.
Mama,
bring that chinchin for me. Near if your man about it. What's this, sir? What time chinchin?
Mama, you have no right to chase my wife's visitor from this house. You have no right to do that.
Hey, yeah, Azubike. I have every right to do anything because it is my house.
No, my father's house. Yes.
If you say that again, I'll curse you.
Mama, let me tell you that I'm your son does not give you the right, the impetus to curse me or to treat me like a slave.
So Oyibo, when you finish the Oyibo, you tell me. But you see that land? Your father will not share it till December. Kolo?
Yeah, you don't have right or you don't even have hand in that land. Papa has the final say over that land.
Okay.
Yes.
So We shall see.
Mama, this is your attitude. I don't like it, though. It's getting out of hand. I don't like it. Stop it. Stop it, oh.
Mamola.
Bullshit.
Yinsa. Mbogini. Anumpa. Sad.
Papa, I was not happy about it when Mama told me. How could you allow Azubike to influence you into sharing the land before the time you planned for it? So, you wouldn't have told me if not that Mama had said it to me.
Well, Paul, I'm sorry. I did not tell you, or you did not hear. But I think if my wife had told you, it is assumed I had told you. And for the sharing of the land, Paul, I want to let you know that it was I, myself, that fixed the date and time of the sharing of the land. And I still have the right to change it to before that time or behind it. Do you get me? I cannot reason why you have to interrogate me now about sharing of the land.
No, Papa, for this one, no. It's not proper. Besides, you don't know the motives of my brother telling you to share that land. You don't know.
So is that your headache? What concerns you with his motive? Everybody has a motive. It doesn't concern me. Once the land is shared, everybody takes his own and does whatever he feels like doing with the land. You get me?
I am sorry, Papa, you're not sharing that land.
What?
You're not sharing that land.
Paul, you're not serious.
Papa, be a man of your word. You're not sharing that land.
Hi. So.
Papa, what is it?
No, there's no problem. There's no problem. Yes.
You didn't call
There
me.
is no problem. Since all of you have decided to talk to your father as you want, there is no problem.
I thought you said nothing.
There is nothing. There is nothing.
Anyway, you didn't call me back again as you said last night.
Yes, I decided to leave everything till this morning. At least to sleep over it. Actually, I decided to suspend every arrangement concerning that land.
Papa, why?
Yes, because you did not tell me anything, any arrangement or any plan you have for the sharing of the land. How would you just wake up in the morning and say that he shared the land?
Papa, see, you're the head of this family. You shouldn't allow Mama to be telling you what to do. But if you don't want to share that land, as I requested, I'll just do it my own way.
Your own way? Did you see your own way? Azubike, are you threatening me?
Papa, you've heard me. You just heard me.
I said, come back here. I said, come back and let us finish what we have just started. What kind of children are these? Are they doing the part of their mother or what?
You didn't go to work today.
No, Auntie, today is public holiday.
I didn't forgotten. What of your children?
They're fine. Hey, Auntie, I came to talk to you about something.
I'm all ears.
You know that things have not been rosy with me and my husband.
I know.
He has been having problem in his shop. And he talked to me that he wants to change his line of business. In fact, last night he told me his intention of traveling abroad.
Huh? Where will he get the money from? I could remember the huge amount of money my husband spent by the time my two sons, Eduzie and Ifeanyi, traveled out of the country.
Actually, he doesn't have that kind of money. So he talked to his father about sharing their land at Obota so that he will sell his own share of the land and use the money to sponsor his trip abroad.
That's a nice idea. It's a good one. And what did his father say?
That's why I'm here. Papa is not the problem, but Mama. She has vowed that the land will not be shared till December.
Oh, why, Kwano? Laura should encourage your husband now, not discouraging him.
Auntie, please. I know that both of you are best of friends. Please, talk to her. In fact, beg her for me. Biko. Oh? Let her know that my husband is not the problem here.
I know. Azubike is a nice man. Don't worry. I will talk to her. Okay? She must do something.
I will be on my way now.
Wait, let me get something for you.
No. Don't bother yourself. Thank you. Okay. Please, Auntie, I'm counting on you.
No problem.
Beg her, beg, please.
Oh, don't worry. Consider it done.
Yay! Azubike wants to travel abroad. Hey!
Hey, what is going on here? I am talking to both of you. What is going on here? Come down from there. Listen, I am not going to warn both of you again. Here is not a playground. Did you hear me? Here is not a playground.
Leave my ear alone. Leave my ear.
I am not going to warn both of you again. I am not going to warn both of you again. Irania.
Our father said anytime he's not around that we should play.
Is it your useless father that built this house? Both of you should get it into your thick head.
You call our father useless?
Yes, he's useless. A man who does not have right over his wife is useless.
My father when he come back.
Shut up! This is little compared to what I will do to you. If you tell your father what I
do now,
the same thing goes to you. Don't move so strong.
Wicked woman. Wicked girl. Don't worry, tell my father when you come back you'll see. I'm the owner of this house. Is it not our father? Sorry, yeah? Is he playing? This is not your house, oh. This is our father's house. In fact,
Bia. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Oye neighbor. Anybody home? Ngo.
Welcome.
Thank you. It's like you were busy at the backyard.
Yes, so I was working on my farm at the backyard. Let's go inside and have seats.
Hi, Mbao. This weather is too hot. Let us stay here.
It's okay. I hope all is well.
Ngo, all is not well. At all.
What happened?
Azubike has put my house on fire. As usual. Last night, no.
I don't understand what you mean by that.
You remember that our land at Obata that my husband wanted to share last year?
Yes, I remember, yes.
Azubike came back last night and told my husband that he wanted the land to be shared this week. I asked him why. Why does he want it to be shared so suddenly? He said that he wants to farm on his land this rainy season. I told my husband he's lying. And because of that, that land will not be shared until this December. Trouble everywhere.
Laura, my sister, you might not understand why I'm laughing. Chidera was here a few minutes ago.
Chidera came here?
She told me about the land issue and the controversy it generated. Azubike wants to sell his part of the land and travel to Obodo Oyibo.
How did you know?
Chidera told me. Your son wants to quit his business and travel out.
What would be my next step if my father insisted that he would not share the land until December? I've never disobeyed him before, but this time, I have no option than to fight for my right.
Officer, he's the one. Arrest him! He's the one. Arrest him! Arrest him!
What is it? Landlord, it has not come to this now.
Officer, arrest him!
Young man, a case of conduct was incidented against you at the station. And your attention is needed at the station right now.
For what? Officer, I've paid this man all the money that I'm owing him. What is the one for me?
Oh, you thought I was joking when I asked you to leave my shop? Officer, arrest him!
Well, like I said, you're under arrest, young man. When you get to the station, you know the...
Okay. Ekene? I'm going to the station. Yes, I'm coming.
Abugini kamere mama jemme mi fa. Mama, kaya meragi. Gini kamere nemo jemme mi fa. Mama, kaya meragi. Mama big.
What were you doing outside?
Hey!
What were you doing outside?
I was discussing with Mama.
Which Mama? Mama that went out.
Mama is back. Mama is back. You won't believe what Mama just told me. You will not believe it.
What happened? What did she tell you?
Your brother wants to travel abroad.
Which of my brothers?
Azubike, your brother, plans to travel abroad, and that is why he's been pressuring Papa to share the land.
Stop jokes, you. How did Mama get that kind of information? Where?
Mama said Auntie Ngozi told her. What do you mean I'm joking?
Auntie Ngozi?
Yes!
Honey, are you sure about this?
I'm giving you fresh information. You're saying if I'm sure. Go and ask Mama. Chidera went to Auntie Ngozi's house and told her all the information about how Azubike plans to travel. Even Azubike sold his own share of the land just to travel.
Yeah. Azubike thinks that he's smart.
No, smarter than me, Paul. To think of it. Why did he not deceive Papa?
That he wants to use his own portion of land for farming.
That is it. That is the problem. He deceived Papa.
Wait, where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Mommy, Mama is calling you.
Oh, it's your daddy.
Yeah.
Hello, darling. What? Hello? I don't have airtime to call him back.
Let me go and buy airtime for
you. No, go and call Chiamaka for me.
Okay.
Let her come and buy me coffee. Okay. He's calling back. Darling. What were you saying? What? How? Oh.
Is everything alright?
Everything is fine.
But what did Daddy say that got you upset?
Nothing, I'm fine. Let's just go inside.
My dear, I pleaded with him to forget about the police thing, but he insisted on locking me up. If not that you came, I would have slept there.
So, what do you intend to do now?
My dear, I am tired of that man's trouble. I really want to stop. I'm tired of that business. I want to face my new arrangement. You know, let me just focus on my new arrangement.
Darling, why don't you tell your father the reason you want the land shared as soon as possible?
I really don't want them to know. I want to take them unawares.
So you're going to wait till December because he said he's not going to share the land till then.
You know, I have to sit with Papa again. I know Mama is the one telling him not to share the land.
My point exactly. That's why you should tell him about your plans.
My dear, I don't want them to know yet. I don't want them to know what I had in mind. I want to take them unawares. Baby, he might not really understand why I want to keep it secret.
It's okay if you say so.
Let me focus on my plan.
What do we do now?
Nothing. Don't tell Daddy.
I'll tell him.
If you tell, Chiamaka will beat me.
She will not beat you. Let us tell Daddy about it.
Please don't tell Daddy. Please don't tell Daddy.
Why would she say that Daddy is useless? Daddy must hear about it.
Chiamaka will beat me if you tell Daddy.
What is going on here? Favor, why are you begging Wendy? Wendy, what did you do?
Nothing, I did not do anything to her.
And why is she begging not to tell Daddy or what? What was that? Favor, why are you begging her?
I did nothing, but Chiamaka told us that you are useless.
Chiamaka said I'm useless.
Yes, Daddy.
That I'm useless?
She said that you're useless.
Why would she say something like that?
She said you have no control over money.
That's why I beg Wendy not to tell me. I don't want Chiamaka to beat me. Why do you tell Daddy?
Is it not you that told him? Do not call my name, because me, I'm going to sleep. Leave me alone. Let me go.
Who can break the aqua except you, Papa?
Mama, where is Chiamaka still?
Okay.
Mama, where is Chiamaka now?
What happened now?
Chiamaka told my kids that I am useless. Can you imagine? What kind of insult is that?
No, Chiamaka couldn't have said a thing like that.
How? Who threatened Favor not to tell me? Because if she does, she would beat her.
I told you that your children have started telling lies. They learnt it from their mother, quickly and out.
And what is that? Meaning what? That my wife did what?
It's just a plot by your wife to get Chiamaka punished.
What kind of insult is that?
Chiamaka,
what did you tell Favor?
Nothing, no.
Meaning what? You don't know what to say again. What did you tell Favor?
No, I did not tell her anything.
Meaning what?
Yeah.
Mama, the way you're defending this girl in this house is wrong. Even when she's right or wrong, you're defending her. Let me tell you, whatever you sow, you shall reap. Akunabo.
Mange, how can you be passing judgment in this matter like that? She has told you no worry, home. Oh, we are here.
No, ma'am.
Did you tell these children that the shop?
Yes.
In a Mahanya cave.
But Mama.
In the shop?
No, I'm not saying.
No shop?
Yes.
Oh, I was hearing it. I was listening. You thought I've gone. I couldn't now.
Because you're in a make a wine.
Bullshit.
If you touch an anozo, get out.
I called all of you here to inform you that by this weekend, we all are going to Obwata to do the sharing of that land.
Excuse me, Papa. Papa, you told us earlier this year that land in question will be shared by December.
Yes.
Why are you going back on your words? Why?
I said so, and I went ahead to make some other explanations. Are you saying you did not understand my explanations? Or you want me to start afresh to begin to talk about them again?
It is obvious you're doing this thing because of Azubike. But he has not told us why he wants you to share this land before the scheduled date.
Mama Azubike, you are drawing us backwards, please. Whatever is Azubike's reason, whatever his motive for selling his land, that is his own. Every one of them will have their piece of land each. And anyone has the right to do whatever he wants to do with his own piece of land. So I wouldn't like anybody to interfere to anybody's business. It's not my business. It shouldn't be yours. Let's allow them freedom to do whatever they want to do.
Boy, Mama, Papa is right.
Right about what, Anumpa? Listen, everybody must not contribute when intelligent people are talking.
Oh.
If you don't have anything reasonable to say, you just shut up and listen.
Mama, I love you for that.
Azubike. Azubike thinks we will not know about his plans of traveling abroad. Anybody who wants to go abroad, should go. But nobody is selling the piece of land that belongs to the entire family.
I'm in support of what Mama just said. Our land is not for sale.
Yes, one.
Papa. Thank you very much, sir. I thank you so much. I love what you just said.
Papa, tell him. Papa, you better tell him. Tell him that you're not going to share that land. If Azubike wants you to share that land because he wants to sell his own, tell him that you're not going to share it all. Paul.
I don't know why you and Mama...
Hey,
why are two of you causing unnecessary troubles in this house? If Azubike wants to sell his land, allow him to sell it.
Shut up your mouth! If you talk again, I will break your head. Are you mad? I will break your head.
Paul, good to go live.
We are not going to sell our land.
Good to other thing.
Hey. Paul, let me tell you. I don't care whatever you want to say or whatever you want to do, but the only thing is clear. I must stand by the truth. Gidibam. Nothing but the truth. Allow him to do whatever he wants to do with his lands. What's your problem?
Yes. Yeah? Shut up. Azubike, you have not said anything on this.
That I'm not saying anything? Have I not bared my mind? I've said everything. What else do you want to hear from me?
Go and tell Azubike that the family land is not for sale.
Oh, yes.
Go and tell him.
Yes.
Mama Azubike, it is all your fault.
How is it my fault?
You did not play your card very well. You should have made it a private talk between you and your husband. Using your power as a woman to influence him.
Ngo, I did everything I could. But my husband is afraid of Azubike. Now, Chidera is laughing at me. Can you imagine that?
Let me tell you the truth. Chidera is the only problem you are having in that house.
I know.
You have to devise a means to tackle it before it becomes too late.
Ngozi, I honestly do not want my son to travel. Because if he does and eventually becomes rich, Chidera will turn me into her personal slave. I don't want Azubike to go. I don't know what to do.
And you would not want that.
No, I don't want Azubike to travel.
The only weapon you have now is to stop him from selling his part of the land.
How do I do that?
I will tell you what to do, so that no one will be able to buy it from him. But that will be after you people might have shared the land.
Your hand will not touch it again. Your hand will not touch it again. Your hand will not touch it again.
Okay. Time to go to bed. Remember, tomorrow is school. Early to bed.
Early to rise.
Good girls. So, off you go. My hug. Daddy's hug. There you go. Good night, my angel. Good night. I love you, girl. Okay, off you go. Don't forget your balloon.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Night. No. We're coming for the night prayers.
Why don't you say the prayer?
I wanted us to discuss first before the night prayer. You see, since the issue of this land started, I've not been myself. So I went to see my pastor today. I'm sorry about that. He prayed for me, and after the prayer, he told me that he saw a hand holding you from moving forward. So he gave me 1 week fasting and prayers.
How many times have I warned you to stop going for all these prayer houses? After all we passed through the last time.
Darling, I'm sorry, but you don't expect me to fold my arms and watch things go wrong. We need prayers in this house, in this family.
Obedience is better than sacrifice. You could have obeyed me first. You know these pastors, they take advantage of people anyhow.
My love, Pastor Chuka is not like that. He doesn't collect a dime for prayers, unlike other pastors. The Bible says that by their fruit we shall know them. He's a good pastor. Sweetheart, please, it won't kill us to do the prayer. Please.
Azubike, I'm happy for you. At least the land has been shared at last.
Thank you.
You have to forge ahead with whatever plans you have.
Correct. So I am very happy that the land is on a very good site. Your father and my brother told me about it on phone. And I like that. I encourage him to go ahead and do it. The earlier, the better. So I am in tune with it. I'm happy. It's been done.
Uncle, I heard that you're back, so I came to tell you that my own portion is for sale, in case you see any buyer.
It's alright. Not a bad idea. Okay. I'm going to talk to one or two of my friends who I am sure
have the capacity to buy. Yes, I will.
You do that for me, Uncle?
I will.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
I'm so happy. I will. I know you need it, and you need to move forward as a young man. So I will give you every encouragement that I can.
And I can help as well. I'll have to contact 1 or 2 people.
And I know you can do it for me. Please, just do it and I'll be so glad.
Azubike, you don't have any problem. I will do it and even more. The only thing you have to do for me is just my agent fee.
And thank God you too like money.
You're a young businesswoman. Yeah, come on. You're a young businesswoman. No, but then there's something good. Get him something to eat.
Let me bring food.
I'm good with the drink. Very good. Uncle, I will start going now.
Greet your father for me. Okay. I'll see him.
Greet my friend.
I will. Yeah, Uncle, please remember.
You will change the full time now. Take care of yourself, eh? Wow.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Let everybody face his own life.
Yes,
to avoid unnecessary conflicts.
It will help him as well.
Yeah.
There is nothing wrong with it.
Huh? God, please. Try and understand. You know I'm a believer. There is no way I can put my hand in such a thing.
Oh? Then we have to forget everything about it.
Mbao, we are not forgetting it. Why don't you go? I will give you the money. Biko. How much is it?
3,000 naira.
Biko. Oh, thank you very much.
No, I can do everything for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. As soon as I'm back, I will let you know.
Okay. Oh, that is all.
It's okay.
Thank you.
But you've not told me the outcome of your visit with the agent.
Okay, I met with the man. He said he likes the place. That he's going to come with a buyer tomorrow. Until then.
Okay, so how much are you going to sell the land?
I told him 1.8 million.
That's a bit on the high side.
We bargain it over now.
Okay. What if the buyer prices 1.2 million? Are you going to sell it?
What I'm selling it is 1.4 or 1.5.
Are you sure you're going to see someone that will be willing to pay that amount?
My dear, everything is in God's hands. You understand? I am going to... In fact, my target is to sell it 1.4 or 1.5. Then I use 1 million for my travel, give you the rest to take care of yourself. What is it? Are you angry for what I said?
It's not like I'm not happy, but I'm just thinking of how I'm going to cope if you travel.
Honey, I am not running away. This is your husband's house. Okay? You have to stay back and fight for our rights.
Darling, you don't understand. I know what I'm going to face in your absence. You can imagine what I'm going through now that you are here. Not to talk of when you...
Don't worry, you will be fine. With God by my side, once I get there, our lives will never remain the same. Trust me. Cheer up now. Cheer up.
Ask this girl to sweep this compound.
Chiamaka! Chiamaka! Yes, auntie.
What happened? I thought I asked you to sweep this compound. Are you not the one I'm asking? Okay, take that broom and sweep everywhere.
Okay, take. Go and buy something for me. Buy noodles, 200 naira.
Hey, my friend, come here. I'm watching Kitty, you walk out on me. Are you high? Are you a fool? My friend, pick up that broom and sweep this compound.
Okay. Hello, I sent you on an errand and you're acting confused. Come on, go and get what I sent you to get for me now.
If you move an inch, I will skin you alive. Pick up that broom and sweep now.
Chiamaka.
Ma.
What are you doing there?
Answer now. Because you don't have respect. Nancy goes, you get confused.
What is going on?
Mama, can you imagine that I sent Chiamaka on an errand and Chidera won't let her go?
Mama, I was the first person to send her on an errand. Mama, look at this compound. Everywhere is untidy. I asked her to use the broom and clean up, sweep this place.
It is very untidy. Yeah. Make it very tidy.
I should take the broom and...
You should start dancing on top. Bia, Chiamaka.
Ma.
Your Auntie Chizoba sent you on an errand, okay?
Run,
go and buy it.
Window here. Ngwa, before I open and close my eyes, move now!
Go and rest. Go and rest.
She should go and rest and I should sleep.
Are you not the first wife? You're supposed to be bringing everybody together with a unity. Funny, Usa, Ini Uchi. Oh, okay, say me. Start sweeping. And after sweeping, Ibianyemuni, I go gym.
What can I do? This is total Casio. She's my mother for facing, not for hearty. I don't want you be no one. I don't want you. She's my mother for facing, not for hearty. I don't want you be no one. She's my mother for facing, not for hearty. I don't want you be no one.
How do you see the place, sir? The land is okay. I can pay 1.3 million if the price is acceptable. Transaction begins.
1.3 million, sir. It's okay, but you know the land I'm giving to you is in a very good site. At least take a look at it.
1.3 million is not enough for the land.
You show that I like it, I can pay 1.4 million net.
1.4. Zubi. You see now.
Okay. Excuse me.
1 minute.
My dear, the man gave me 40,000 to have the place surveyed immediately.
Are you serious?
Immediately, yeah. God has started his good work on us.
Yes, indeed.
I called the man and he told me that he would want everything about the transaction to end this week.
Immediately. Hey! God of mercy. God, you have finally remembered us.
Yes.
After all the suffering. Yes. Hey! And it is marvelous in our eyes.
I even called my friend that stays in Lagos. He told me that once the business got matured, that I should start coming down to Lagos.
Immediately. So that means you'll be leaving us soon.
Please, what's my children?
They are taking their siesta.
Okay.
I've been shouting, Ngozi, Ngozi, Munye Benu, Munye Benu.
Sorry.
At some point, I thought your house is soundproofed.
I didn't hear you. I was here preparing to cook.
Ne, there is trouble.
Trouble?
Big trouble.
What happened?
Chidera has been dancing around my compound since morning.
Why?
That Azubike is about to sell his land. Somebody gave him money to survey it immediately. That means they have agreed on the price.
Is that why you are worried?
No. This thing is not working. It's not working.
Laura, my sister, go and rest. I mean, you should go to your house and sleep. Rahora. Nothing is happening. You see that portion of land? No one will ever buy it from Azubike. If they like, let them call 1 million people to survey it. Nothing is happening.
Afkwanu diego Chidera na agba o. Onye nwe emewo ya. Onye nwa menya pe o. Nke nwa me nke nwe. I almost had BP.
Laura, you will not kill me. I want a BP anyway.
That is why I do not want Azubike to travel. That is why I do not want Azubike to travel. Chidera will just kill me. That girl will kill me. She will finish me.
Laura, are you afraid?
Yes, so.
Don't be afraid. As I told you earlier on, no one will buy that portion of land from them. Don't mind Chidera. She is only fooling herself.
Need the shop.
I'm sure. Have you forgotten who I am?
You told me that you called the man yesterday. I've been waiting to hear from you. You've never told me anything. This is not our arrangement. What is happening?
To be frank with you, honestly, I'm totally confused. I don't know what to do. I've been calling him since yesterday. He's not picking his calls.
What is the problem?
I can't say. He refused talking to me. And I've tried to know if it's the price, but I don't think it has anything to do with the price.
My brother, see, anything you can do to help me, please do it. I will appreciate it. I need to do this as fast as possible. Please.
I told another man about the place. I will take him there tomorrow next.
Okay. Please help your brother, please.
No problem. I'll call you tomorrow.
Okay. I'll be waiting to hear from you.
How did it go?
Yes, I met him, but from what he told me, said the man is no longer interested in the business.
How? Why? I mean, what happened?
My dear, the summary of the whole thing is that the man has lost interest in the business.
The devil is a liar. God. Why?
But my agent found another buyer. He said he will call me tomorrow to tell me how far he has gone with the man.
Darling, please, if you will agree with me, let's go and see my pastor. Please don't argue, don't say no. Let's go and see him. Please don't say no, please.
I don't need that now. My head is not just together. Okay? Let me get something, okay?
Who can break the aqua except you, Papa?
I want to dance. Emego ma activate my dancing mode.
Mama, can you talk and go?
Odim kanalo. Yoma chuku nemeremo.
Onyo mere kalia biko welia kayelu. Odim kanalo. Ifoma chuku nemeremo. Onyo mere kalia biko welia kayelu.
Otua.
Odim kanalo. Ifoma chuku nemeremo.
That's all, Baba.
Onyo mere kalia
biko.
Hey! Hey, Laura, my sister.
Oh.
Afternoon, my dear.
Hi. No.
What is the secret?
Chiamaka, Bupuncho. Sit.
Hey!
Chiamaka. Gabakene, I'll call you later. I'll call you. Good news.
Good news.
Hi.
What happened?
All the buyers are running away.
Hey! But I told you not to bother yourself.
You said it.
I asked you to relax. This is just the beginning. She must surely come to beg for forgiveness.
Chidera will suffer. She will suffer. Oh, yes,
everything is in your hands.
Mama.
Mama, I told you. Oh God. Father, you are the all-knower. You are the one that maketh the impossibility possible. Father, you said in the book of Isaiah that no weapon fashioned against us shall prosper, oh God. Father, you said in the book of John, O King of Glory, that the enemy came to steal, kill, and destroy, but you have come to give us life in abundance. Father, King of Glory, Father, destroy my husband's enemy. Destroy his enemies, O King of Glory. All the enemies that are drawing him back, that are setting him back, O King of Glory. I destroy them by fire, whether they're in this family, in the village, anywhere they are. I don't want to know, because you have given me authority, because I believe in you, because with you everything is possible. Oh King of Glory, come and give us victory. All the witches and wizards, wherever they are in this family, in the village, wherever they are, there is destroying my husband's progress, O King of Glory. I destroy them by fire. I destroy them by fire. I come against them, O King of Glory. Father, you say you have given me, O King of Glory, given me the authority to trample upon snakes and scorpions, and nothing, they shall not harm me, O God. Abba, Father, King of Glory, and trample on them now. I destroy them by fire. I destroy them by fire. King of Glory, Prince of Peace, Rabo Sekere Bebe.
When you think you're smart, some people are smarter than you. An idle man, up a devil's workshop. Ochu wakuko wanda, wakuko wanwansa. Achukata wabanyo, achubanya no.
Hey. Baby, you're back.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.
So how is work today?
Fine, fine. So why are you seated here like this? Are you alright?
I'm good. I'm okay.
Darling, are you sure? You don't look too happy to
For real, I'm okay. What did you buy?
Good stuff. Mama, good day.
Please come. Let's go inside.
Who can break the aqua except you, Papa?
This is my anointing oil now.
And then? Huh. So what now?
Taking it without my consent is stealing. And stealing is a sin. Nazwike, you commit to go.
So I have stolen your thing now?
You commit to go.